Okay, so we saw earlier in these lessons that hot objects will emit infrared radiation. So now it's time to see how the surface of the object affects how much infrared will be emitted. So we can investigate this with something called a Leslie cube. We've got a Leslie cube here. It has different, it's a hollow watertight metal cube. It's made of different types of metals. It has 4 vertical faces and they all have different surfaces. So for example, we've got a matte black one, we've got a shiny white one, we've got shiny metal, and we've got a shiny black. So we've got 4 different surfaces that we're going to compare. So what you need to do, the first step is boil some water and pour it into the Leslie cube.
You've got to go slowly because otherwise you're overfilling it. And when that, you do need to make sure it's filled to the top so that all of the surface is giving out this infrared radiation. Perfect, boiled enough.
Escaping. And what we can use then is an infrared detector that's set up a specific distance away from the cube, so I can measure this distance to make sure it's the same every time. So mine is 15 centimeters away from the surface of the cube. And all we need to do then is press the sensor. Ooh, keep it on the 15. And there should be a number. What's the number, miss?
It is 86.1.
So that's shiny black 86.1. I'm just going to check that it's still in degrees Celsius. Yeah. Okay. If we turn to the shiny white side, what number have we got now?
90.2.
90.2. Okay. The copper, so the shiny metal.
28.8.
28.8. And then we've got dull black.
91.0. So about
1.0, and they are all degrees Celsius. Okay, so we can write those results down just there. So you should find that you detect more infrared from black surfaces and more from matte surfaces than shiny ones. As always, we should repeat this experiment more than once to make sure that our results are repeatable. And it is important to be careful when you're doing this. Don't try to move the cube when it's full of boiling water because you will burn your hands. And be careful if you're carrying full kettles, your mate won't thank you if you spill boiling water into their bag or down their back. Okay, so that is the investigating infrared radiation